I just scored $78.58 worth of products for just $11.29 at CVS from June 7th to June 13th. We are starting off with no extra care bucks. So let me show you how you could do this amazing deal. And honestly, you guys, it was really $8.29 once I got my $3 back in extra care bucks. So let's go ahead and get right into this video. So for our first transaction, we are going to look at our oral care section. We have this coupon that when you spend $25, you're going to get $10 off. It is a digital coupon in your app, so make sure that you clip it. It is a limit up to 1 per household. So we are going to start off with our Colgate Sensitive toothpaste. They are priced at $5.79. When you purchase 2, you will get $5 in extra care bucks, and we have a $4 off of 2 coupon. We are also going to pick up 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. They are priced at $4.99 this week. When you purchase 2, you will get $4 in extra care bucks. And we also have a $4 coupon when you purchase 2. For our last item, we are going to pick up the Oral-B floss picks. They are $4.79. And we have a $1 coupon that is attaching. This is how your cart should look. Our total should be around $26.35. With all of the coupons coming off, we should only be paying about $7.35 out of pocket. And then we will get about $9 back in extra care bucks. But let's head to the register.
Welcome. If you have continue button, if scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished. Scan coupon now.
We just finished our first transaction. We did get $9 in extra care bucks that we're going to roll over to our second transaction. For our second transaction, we are going to grab the Gillette Venus razors. They are on sale for $6.99. When we purchase 2, we'll get $4 in extra care bucks, and we also have a $3 off coupon. We are also going to pick up the Gillette men's razors. They are on sale for $6.99. And when you purchase 2, you'll get that $4 back in extra care bucks. And we have a $3 coupon attaching to these. Both of these items will cost us $13.98. We do have 2 $3 off coupons, bringing us down to just $7.98. We'll get that $4 back in extra care bucks, making our net cost just $3.98. We do have $9 in extra care bucks that we are going to use on this transaction. So we do need to grab one more item that we're also going to pick up some of our Axe body spray. They are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you purchase 2, you'll get $2 in extra care bucks. 2 of them will cost us $11.23. But we do have a $7 off of 2 coupon. So that will bring us to $4.23. And we're going to get that $2 back.
Well, scan coupon now. Touch the continue button if finished. Continue button. Your total is $4.72.
All right, you guys, we just completed transaction number 2. We did get $6 in extra care bucks that we are going to roll over to our third transaction. We are going to pick up the Irish Spring body wash. They are buy one, get one 40% off. And when you purchase 2, you will get $3 in extra care bucks. 2 of them will cost us $10.55. We do have a $4 off of 2 coupon that we're going to use. So that will bring us to $6.55. And then we're getting that $3 back in extra care bucks. So that should make this about $3.55 as a net cost. But we do have our $6 in extra care bucks, so it should take care of majority of this. We are also going to add the Van Cream Cleansing Bar to our transaction. They are priced at $5.19, and we have a $5 off coupon on this, making this just 19 cents.
Scan coupon now. Coupon now. Touch the continue button. Scan coupon now. Touch the is $1.67. Please select your payment method.